Hi, today we'll show you how to find new contacts right in your emails and save them to eWay-CRM. We all exchange emails with people and forget to save them to a CRM. That's a pity, because only you know about the conversation. If you are not available and the person reaches out to the office, nobody else knows about your communications. With eWay-CRM, you can easily convert these people into contacts, import their email history, and share everything with your team. Let's dive in. This is the home screen of my eWay-CRM Online. Notice this tab, Suggested Contacts. If you haven't set it up yet, log into your Microsoft 365 and give eWay-CRM a while to crawl your mailbox. When it's done, it will show you a list of people you've been in touch with, but who are not in your CRM yet. You can convert them to contacts, merge with the existing ones, or hide them if they are irrelevant. Just click the button. If you create a new contact, the built-in artificial intelligence grabs all contact details from the email signature and automatically fills them in for you. So simple. The same feature is also available in Contacts. Just activate your preview panel and click this tab. We have the same list and the same opportunities. eWay-CRM crawls your mailbox regularly, and if it spots a new person, you will see a notification. Can't be simpler. What if you want to create multiple contacts at once? No problem. In the Contacts module, click Import and select Import Contacts from Emails. Here you can set how long to the past it analyses your mailbox. When it's over, just hide the irrelevant contacts and create the rest in bulk with a single click. When you're done and close the dialog, eWay-CRM will ask if you'd like to import the email history for all newly created contacts. Confirm, and the system will automatically add all past emails you exchanged with them. This means the entire team will instantly see the full communication history, not just you. Easy, right? Start using this feature and make sure no important relationship is left hidden in your mailbox.
I hope that you found this walkthrough helpful. If so, and you're viewing us on YouTube, feel free to give us a thumbs up or subscribe for more informative eWay CRM tutorials. And I thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Cheers.